Welcome back to Locally Hosted.
For anyone new, this show is called Locally Hosted because the entire thing runs on local hardware.
No cloud APIs.
Just a DGX Spark in Ryan Storrent's office.
Ryan handpicks every article, reviews every episode. The scripts come from Qwen, visuals from CogVideoX, all orchestrated by a custom pipeline he built.
And if we hit enough subscribers, we're open sourcing the whole thing,
Today we're looking at Microsoft's agentic-agile-template.
which bridges agile process values with AI coding agents.
But it's not just about using agents as autocomplete.
It's about structured human-agent collaboration.
The core insight is that agents fail due to coordination breakdown, not model capability.
Wait, so giving a vague prompt gets vague output?
Exactly. But give it a well-specified story with acceptance criteria, and you get production code.
So the specification is the program?
Yes, the spec defines the boundaries and constraints for the agent.
That's a huge shift from hope the agent gets it right.
It provides a process layer, structured backlogs, spec-first stories, wave-based parallel execution.
And built-in governance across 8 dimensions.
Teams shift from guessing to systematically improving their partnership over time.
Let's look at the repo structure. What's in the box?
You have Claude.md for agent context and the manifesto.md for values.
So Claude, MD is like the project's personality for the AI?
Precisely. It ensures the AI fits your conventions from the first interaction.
And style.md? That sounds like a code formatter.
It covers code conventions, docs, commit messages, and PR format.
So it's the rules of the road for both humans and agents.
Right? It prevents the works on my machine syndrome in AI generation.
What about contributing? MD. Is that for humans only?
It follows the agentic agile workflow, so yes, but it guides agent contributions too.
And security.md? Standard vulnerability reporting?
Yes, but crucial for AI-generated code, which might have blind spots.
Okay, what about MCP, JSON? That's Model Context Protocol?
It configures the agent's tools, like giving it a specific set of wrenches.
So the agent knows exactly what it can touch and do.
Exactly. It prevents the agent from wandering into unauthorized territory.
And the GitHub Copilot instructions? Shorter subset?
Yes, a condensed version of Claude.md for Copilot's context window limits.
This feels like a comprehensive toolkit for the future.
It is. The issue template is key. Agentic-story.md.
Scope, file ownership, acceptance criteria?
Exactly. It forces clarity before any code is written or generated.
So you define the what and why, and the agent handles the how.
Yes, within the boundaries you set. It's a partnership, not a delegation.
And the docs folder? Agent-surface-selection. MD?
It guides you on choosing the right interface, CLI, IDE, chat, or API.
Not every task needs a full IDE integration.
Correct. Some tasks are better suited for simple CLI commands.
And the evaluation framework? 8 dimensions?
Yes, it measures code quality, security, performance, etc. across the board.
So you can actually track if the AI is improving over time.
Exactly. It turns subjective, it feels better into objective metrics.
This is a game changer for teams adopting AI.
It reduces the chaos and makes AI development predictable.
But the caution note is important. Non-deterministic by nature.
Yes, use good judgment. Don't put raw AI output into production blindly.
Always have a human in the loop for final review.
Absolutely. The template guides you, but you drive the car.
So, the takeaway? Structure enables AI freedom.
Exactly. Clear constraints lead to better creative output.
All right, that's all we got this week.
If this blew your mind, come back next time. We'll probably break it again.
If you want to try this, the repo is on GitHub.
Original source is linked in the description.
And don't forget, we're open sourcing our pipeline soon.
Stay curious and happy coding.
This was Locally Hosted. Until next time, stay curious.